Hi there, this is NetGuide. I'm very happy to make this video for you about the most important Microsoft Office Word keyboard shortcut. Let's try one by one. This is part one. Number one, Control A. Control A is to select all content of the page, as you see. Number two, Control B is to bold highlighted selection. Let's select a specific word. Control B. Let's try a sentence. Hold Control B together, as you see, to bold the selected parts. Number three, Control C is to copy selected texts. Let's just copy similar. Control C together. As you see, we copied it. Number four, Control D to open. Control D is to open the font preference window. Number five, Control E. Just select the text to align the line or selected text to the center of the screen. Let's try it. Control E is to align it to the center of the screen. Number six, Control F is to open find box. Control F to open find box. We just need to choose the word that we want to search or to find in the text. Language. We have 22 results. The word of language 22 times is used in our text. Number seven, Control I is to italicize highlighted selection. Let's try it. We want to highlight language. Control I. We italicize it. Let's try a sentence together. Control I. Italicize selected parts. Number 8. Control J. Number 8. Control J is to align the selected text or line to justify the screen. Let's try it to justify the selected text. Number 9. Control K is to insert a hyperlink. Hold Control and K together to insert a hyperlink. Number 10. Control L is to align the line or selected text to the left of the screen. Let's try it. Control L. You see. Number 11. Control N is to open new blank document window. Let's try it. Control N to open a new blank document window. Number 12. Control O is to open the dialog box or page for selecting a file to open. Let's try it. Control O. Go to this PC. You can go to the place you want. With this file, you see we opened a new file. That's all about the first part of the most important Microsoft Office keyboard shortcut. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel to see the second part as well. Have a nice time.